Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices eased after a recent record rally, while investors look towards inflation data due later this week and the latest developments on US President Donald Trump's tariff plans. US stocks were little changed ahead of Nvidia's quarterly results. That set the tone for AI sector. Nvidia's shares rose 2.9%, while an index of semiconductors was 1.6% higher. Gains in technology were offset by losses in healthcare and other sectors. Bitcoin set new multi-month lows as order book manipulation pressured price. Circling its lowest level since mid-November, around $85,000, Bitcoin faced more pressure as hundreds of millions of dollars worth of laundered funds from the Bybit hack continued to move.
The euro-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
Upcoming economic releases on the calendar include high-impact events alongside moderate and low-impact reports. Traders and investors alike should be prepared, as any of these data points could spark changes in market dynamics and volatility. Monitoring these key data points can reveal shifts in market sentiment. Whether they align with expectations or bring surprises, these events could shape the near-term market outlook.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.